These are the ink cartridges. One is the color,
Okay.
and one is the. This is the color cartridge, and this is the black cartridge. And these are the power cables. So these are the power cables. Yeah. I think one is the European standard and one is the US standard, I think. So there are two power cables given. Yeah, here it is. This is the manual. How we need to set up the printer. This is how it looks. I'll just take out the packaging. Printing machine. See how compact it is. So let's connect it to the power cable first. So now we are just putting this to
यहाँ पे दिखाओ.
the power socket so that it gets a power. Yeah, I will also remove this blue tape. We don't need this. Yeah. Now the first step is to boot up the printer. There's a button here. Just press it. See, it started. Now we have to see the instructions on the screen. Small screen here. We have to follow the instructions there on the screen. So the first step is you have to select a language of your preference. I'm selecting English. It's asking whether you want to select the language. You have to confirm it. Yes, I have selected English language. Which country and region?
UK.
UK. Yeah. So it's asking to set up with the app. Yeah, so it says that you have to use the HP website 123hp.com to get the app for your smartphone. I've already downloaded this app on my smartphone. So it's this one. So you can see this is the HP Smart app. I think I have to go. The first step is to add this. So I think I have this NV5000 series printer. So yeah, I think I can give this. Okay, so we can click on the info now. So here you can also do this setup via the app, or you can also do the manual setup. So it says that it is recommended to get the app. You will be guided through the process start to finish with the help. I think we can also do the manual setup.
No, we can do the app.
So once you downloaded the app, you have to find the printer. So this is the 5000 series printer. So if your printer is on, then it automatically detects the 5000 series. Then you have to click on the 5000 series that you have to set up. Then it asks for your Wi-Fi password. Once you give the Wi-Fi password, it connects. Like you can see now on my mobile screen, it says that printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Press continue here because there is a guided setup, as it also says on the screen. Continue. Yeah, there are some benefits. Get automatic warranty registration, software updates. Okay, I will just say continue. Okay, it's asking me to sign in. Okay, I will quickly create my account, HP account, and then we'll just start from there. I have created the HP account. Now it's just getting up the setup instructions. So it says that you have to install the softwares from this site 123hp.com to print from your computer. So it's very easy. I will also show that to you later. So we'll just skip this step here. Yeah, we can do that later. Okay, setup is
Skip
complete.
printing,
I will
yes.
just skip the printing page. All done, thank you. That is it. Yeah, so I'll just dismiss this for now, and we can also just see how the manual setup works. So I'm now clicking it on the manual setup.
Insert cartridges that come with printer.
Yeah, so now we have these two cartridges. See, we got it from we got with the printer itself. One is the color cartridge and one is the black cartridge. So I'll just insert those. So see, this is how this cartridges looks like. This is the color one, which is the pink. This is the black one. We have to remove this remove this tip from here. Similarly from this black one as well. Yep, it's removed. Now I will show you the place. So we have to open this printer like this. It goes up to like this. See, you can see it here now. So this is a place where you have to put those cartridges. So I'm just putting the cartridges like this. See, this is on top like this. This shall be down like this. So this is it, and then you just have to press it down. Similarly, I will also do this color printers. Yeah, like this, and then just push it down. Yes, now both the cartridges are there inside. I will close this lid. You close it, it says this checking the printer. Asking to load the paper. So there is this tray here. See, you have to open it. Actually it's like this, so you just have to open it.
Okay.
And you have to press this outside so that you can place the papers here. I just put the paper inside. Now I'll just push this tray inside this again so that it will start. Yep, so
Okay.
we put the papers in the tray. It's ready to begin. So it will just align the pages to give you the best print quality. So we'll just say okay, and you can see to print the alignment page you can also have this here on which actually the printed paper comes. See this.
Oh,
So see, the alignment page has printed. Just look at it. So now we have to place this alignment page and just close the lid. Allow it to scan. It's scanning the alignment page. So now it's ready, it's aligned successfully. It's the best possible print quality. Discard the alignment. Okay, so I can just take this out, the alignment page. I will just click on OK. So I think this is it. Now you see when it is done with the setup, you can see this screen which you can copy, you can scan, you can do more setup, if you want. Connect to the Wi-Fi. So it's already connected to the Wi-Fi. So yeah, this is ready to use.